given individuals a secure passive
Hmm.
stream of income,
For
right?
sure.
Because you have the security of that whole life, and
Hmm.
that investment that you're participating in is also giving you yield, right? And so you
100%.
can make money in both places. You don't have to have one or the other, but you can.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people think about 401ks and Roth IRAs and stuff like that, and they want to like play that game for taxes. Well, 401ks are tax deferred. I can't think of another place because your whole life policy, you're going to be able to, put money in post tax, so it's like a Roth. It's going to grow tax deferred. You're going to have access to it tax free the whole time. You can put the money into assets like real estate where there's no tax deferral. There are actually tax benefits. If you're a real estate investor, I don't need to preach to you all the tax benefits of owning property and being able to take advantage of depreciation and all these different things. So yes, it is a have your cake and eat it too kind of scenario because you get to take advantage of all these situations. That's why I created the cash flow hacking system. That's why I wrote my book, Cash Flow Hacking, is because of the fact that we want to make sure that we are increasing the efficiency of our money, and just by changing the flow of our money and where we pay for that money can increase the efficiency, which can increase the returns without increasing the risk. Because most of the time people think to get a bigger return, I got to take more risk.
Absolutely.
And this allows you to get a little bit of a better return without increasing the risk. In fact, it will give you more security along the way.
Mm-hmm. And we're
Yeah,
we're all into risk as long as the risk is in the positive,
for
right?
sure.
But
Yeah, and as long as you have some control over the variables of the risk, right? I mean, there are always going to be elements of the risk that we have to kind of consider that are we have to evaluate if it's within our tolerance levels. But this once again, it's a filter, and it gives you a system that you can go through and help make your decisions to figure out how to decide if it is or isn't within that risk tolerance.
and the truth is, even if we are risk takers, the bottom line is none of us like when the risk goes the opposite direction, right?
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
And
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
we have to really realize that, does our
Yeah,
money line up with our values and beliefs? And this is one of Chris's favorite question for
totally. Yep.
individuals, does it
What I
line
look
up?
for.
Because most of us are participating in things we don't understand, like the stock market, our
Yep.
401ks. And guess what?
Hmm.
We are feeling the blunt of those losses.
For
And so
sure.
you don't have to have that with whole life. It's you can have your cake and eat it too.